Hello, welcome to Insignia Investments. My name is Rupradim Dotto, and today I'm going to discuss with you the top 5 mistakes that you're committing while trading in the stock market that is stopping you from earning the returns that you deserve. Let's begin. At number 1 is that you're overtrading. Are you that person who sells often and buys often depending on how the market is behaving, and you're engaged too much in buying and selling and you are not seeing any return from this portfolio? Probably the best thing you should do is stop overtrading, because it's incurring transaction costs, brokerage charges and taxes, because of which you cannot experience the return that your portfolio should be giving you if you hold it for a longer duration. The second biggest reason why your portfolio is underperforming is because you buy stocks when the market is rising up and you're selling them when the market is going down. This is exactly the opposite of what you should be doing. You should be buying stocks when the market is down because all the prices are discounted, and you should be selling them when the market is going up because every price is appreciating. At number 3, you're probably that person who is investing in stocks whose underlying business you do not understand. This is one of the major reasons why a lot of people lose money in the stock market, because they invest in the momentum rather than the business. Remember, stock is a part of ownership. So as an owner of a business, would you like to own a business that you completely have no idea about? I do not think so. So if you're a person who is looking to invest in new stocks, garner some interest in certain specific fields of businesses. If you get some interest and some insight about them, you'll be better able to treat the cash flows, the different news that flows in from the market, and the general perception of the economic parameters about your sector. At number 4 is diversification. Your portfolio is probably over-diversified. Now, I understand Markowitz's portfolio theory is one of the monumental theories in stock market, but at an individual investor level, where you have probably 10,000 or 20,000 employed in the market, you should not be going all the way to get 60 different stocks into your portfolio to eliminate unsystematic risk. What this is going to do for you is erode away any possibility of an increment in the price of a certain stock, because some other stock is probably going down. What you should rather do is understand the business and invest in those specific sectors and those businesses that you think will be probably able to give you return in the long run. Hold on to your stocks, don't overtrade, and do ensure that you do not over-diversify. And finally, the 5th reason, and probably the most vital reason a lot of people do not get the returns from their portfolio, is because your portfolio is not optimized. You're probably buying at a random basis every single day, reacting to the changes in the market. Or you're probably selling your positions because of the same reason. What this leads to is a completely non-optimized portfolio, because of which your risk is higher but your returns are lower. What you should do is sit down one day with your Excel sheet, optimize your portfolio, and hold on to that portfolio till you get a certain amount of return from it, or you rebalance the portfolio at the end of every 2 quarters. If you're one of those persons who does not know how to optimize in portfolio, subscribe to our channel, because we are coming up with a complete tutorial about how you can optimize your portfolio by using just an Excel sheet. And today, that sums up all the top 5 reasons why your portfolio is not earning the returns that you deserve. If you have liked the video, do give us a thumbs up. If these tips actually help you get better returns, we want to see your returns commented in the comment section below. Let us know if these actually helped you out. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and do head over to our Facebook page and give us a like there. We have also put up a complete blog on investing at insigniainvestment.wixsite.com/home. Do visit there and check out the blogs. That has been all from our side for today. Thank you.